cow. No cow. No cow. No cow. For 40 years, Museveni has been lying to you about the compensation of your cow. In the new Uganda, we are going to compensate your cows, unlike Museveni that has lied for 40 years. For 40 years, he has destroyed the cotton here. 40 years, they have destroyed all the road network here. 40 years, they've destroyed the railway network here. 40 years, they've destroyed the health and education sector. I promise in a new Uganda we are going to revamp that. No, Afande, after here we're just proceeding. We are just proceeding, Afande, now. This is a stopover. This is a stopover. Give me just 2 minutes. Let me deliver my message. You see now you're taking all the time away. The people of Kalaki. The people of Kalaki. The way they are treating me now, you know the truth. In a new Uganda, we are even fighting for the police officers. We want to improve their salary. We want to improve their health insurance. We want them to stop staying in unipots. We want better housing for our soldiers and our police officers. But most importantly, I want to ask you, ladies and gentlemen, to come and vote. Please come and vote. And tell all your relatives and all your loved ones. We can change our country if we vote. I don't want the police officers now to start causing chaos. Even if I'm not breaking any law. The Electoral Commission knows I'm supposed to be campaigning in Kalaki. But the police officers don't want to allow me to communicate. But you can do it even more than I do. When you talk to your grandmother or your grandfather or your parents, they will believe you more than they believe me. Please tell them this is no usual presidential election. Please tell them this is not about Bobby Wine. Tell them this is about Uganda.